Hi guys, this is your helping hand friend of studies, the tea trail. Have you ever wondered about the journey tea leaves take from the plantation to your cup? It takes a lot of care and detail to grow and process tea. Tea is got from a particular plant, the Camellia sinensis. It includes only 4 varieties: green, black, white and oolong. To manufacture black tea, many high-quality tea plants are cultivated at elevations of up to 1,500 meters above sea level. Tea bushes are planted during the monsoon as they grow very quickly during the season. This leads to a high produce. Pesticides are applied regularly to keep the tea bushes healthy. Tea leaves are plucked almost throughout the year. Hundreds of women with expertise and care pluck only the top leaves and unopened buds. Each woman plucks about 21 kilograms of tea leaves in a day. The plucked leaves are transported to a tea processing factory. Do you want to know how the tea leaves are processed? Withering. Tea leaves are gently and evenly laid out on a mesh in a trough. Air is passed through the leaves to dry them. This process removes about 80% of the surface moisture. During withering, the chlorophyll lessens, the grassy scent disappears, and the caffeine levels, flavor and aroma increase. Words and their meanings. Elevations are areas that are higher than the surrounding land. Throw, a long, narrow container without a lid. Surface moisture, water on the outside part or uppermost layer of something. Caffeine, a chemical that makes people more active. Aroma, a strong, pleasant smell. Sea level, the level of sea surface. Produce, fruit grown or produced. Withering, the process of drying mesh is material made of a network of wire or thread, like a net. Shredding, tea leaves are turned into black granular pellets when they pass through rollers which crush, tear and curl them. This is called CTC. Oxidation. Tea leaves are laid on the floor in thin layers 5 to 8 centimeters in height. The oxygen in the air acts upon the leaves. Oxidation gives tea its richer coppery brown color, strong flavor and health benefits. Tea will not turn out well if it is under or over oxidized. The time taken for oxidation depends on the temperature and weather conditions. In the monsoon, tea takes longer to oxidize, while in summer it takes a shorter time. Drying or firing. When the tea leaves go into the dryer, the content of moisture in the tea is reduced to only 2%. The dryer can dry 600 kilos of tea leaves in an hour. Sifting or sorting. The sorting is done on a roller. Pieces of tough stalk and fiber are removed. The dust and leaves are separated into grades of various shapes and sizes depending on how they will be sold. The finest ones will go into tea bags and the larger will be used in loose leaf tea packets. This results in a slightly different flavor in the final cup of tea. Winnowing. Tea leaves are winnowed, which blows away impurities like dust. The denser and lighter particles of tea are separated. The denser particles will be packaged The lighter particles will be added to non-premium tea in the next processing cycle. Words and their meanings. Shredding, tearing into small strips or pieces. Granular, having a rough surface and looking like small grains. Pellets, small rounded portion of a substance. Oxidation, the process of absorbing oxygen. Coppery, reddish brown, the color of copper. Roller, a rotating tube-shaped object in a machine. Denser, thicker. Non-premium, not of high quality. Packaging, tea of a single grade but produced on different days is mixed together. It is then packaged and ready to be shipped to buyers. Tea has many health benefits. Remember, as important as it is to eat healthy, it is just as important to drink healthy too. Words and their meanings again. Shipped means transported. Buyers means those who purchase things. Did you know? According to legend, Shennong, a legendary Chinese emperor, liked to drink boiled water because it would be clean. One day in 2737 BCE, while traveling to a distant place, he and his army stopped to rest, as a servant began boiling water, and dead leaf from the wild tea bush fell into the water. It turned a brownish color. The servant did not notice the brownish water and gave it to the emperor anyway. The emperor drank it and found it very refreshing, and cha, that means tea was discovered. Now here the comprehension part has one main, and here the question answers are there. Here every question is being noted, and I am going to post the test book and this question and answers and workbook and answers in the description box. Go and check there.